Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to install the Python extension. So the agenda is installing Python extension on Visual Studio Code. First of all, we need to go to https:// marketplace.visualstudio.com, and then search for Python, and so you should get to this this download part, and you can just click on install. I've already installed Visual Studio, so I have got Visual Studio. So yeah, just go. As you can see, it opens up the Visual Studio for us, and I just click on install from here. Once it is finished installing, you'll see that the installing button over here changes to uninstall, and then that's it. This is the extension installed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it's been helpful. Yeah, I hope that it's you can if you need any more help with computer stuff, you can go and visit me on my website, and if you want to donate towards any videos that I'm making, please feel free to donate at this Patreon. So thank you for watching. I hope it was useful, and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.